Welcome back, everyone. If you are preparing for Odisha Police Constable, OSSC, OSSC, OPSC, SSC, Railway, Banking, or any competitive exam, then this session is must watch. Today, we will revise the last 12-month current affairs covering all the most important national, international, economy, science and technology, sports, awards, government scheme, defense, environment, and Odisha current affairs that are frequently asked in exam. I have selected only the most exam relevant question so you can revise the entire year's current affairs in one place. Watch till the end, answer every question before checking the correct answer, and test your preparation. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odisha Police exam content. And now let's begin the last 12-month current affairs. Here we go with the first question. Who was appointed as the next Chief of Defence Staff CDS of India in May 2026? Here is the option. Option A, General Upendra Dwivedi. Option B, Lieutenant General N.S. Raj Subramani. Option C, General Manoj Pandey. And the last option, option D, is Lieutenant General Pushpender Singh. The right answer is option B, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. Next question. Who was appointed as the new Chief of the Naval Staff? Option A, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vasan. Option B, Admiral Dinesh Tripathi. Option C, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. And option D, Admiral Karambir Singh. Here is the correct answer, option C, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Next question. Who became the Vice Chief of the Indian Army? Option A, Bhupendra Dwivedi. B, Pushpender Singh. C, N.S. Raja Subramani. Or option D, Manoj Pandey. Here is the correct answer, option B, Pushpender Singh. Who was appointed as the Vice Chief of the Naval Staff? Option A, Vice Admiral Krishnan Swaminathan. Option B, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vasan. Option C, Admiral Hari Kumar. Or option D, Vice Admiral Dinesh Tripathi. If you guys needs time, then you can pause and take your time, then answer. And the correct answer is option B, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vasan. Next question. Who became the festival director of the 57th International Film Festival of India, IFFI? Rajkumar Hirani, Ashutosh Gowarikar, option C, Karan Johar, or option D, Shekhar Kapoor. And the correct answer is Ashutosh Gowarikar. Next question. Who assumed office as the president of CII? Option A, TV Narendran. Option B, R. Mukundan. C, N. Chandrasekhan. Or option D, Sanjeev Puri. Next, the right answer is option B, R. Mukundan. Next question. Who was appointed chairman of Prasar Bharati? Option A, Amitabh Kant. Option B, Prasun Joshi. Option C, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Option D, Rajiv Kumar. The right answer is option B, Prasun Joshi. Who became the chairperson of the CBFC? A, Prasun Joshi. B, Vivek Agnihotri. C, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Option D, Anurag Thakur. The right answer is option C, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Next question. Who became the chairman of IRDAI? Ajay Seth, Devashish Panda. C, Rajesh Verma. D, M. Nagaraju. IRDAI chairman. Correct answer is Ajay Seth. Next question. Who assumed charge as the 29th Controller General of Accounts, CGA? 29th Controller General of Accounts. Option A, TV Somnatham. B, TCA Kalyani. Option C, Rajiv Mehrishi. Or option D, Giridhar Armane. The right answer is option B, TCA Kalyani. Next question. Who became the Deputy National Security Advisor? NSA. National Security Advisor. Option A, Rajiv Rai Bhatnagar. Option B, Anish Dayal Singh. Option C, PK Mishra. Or option D, Samant Goyal. The right answer is option B, Anish Dayal Singh. Next question. Who won the title of Miss Universe in 2025? Miss Universe India 2025. Option A, Manika Vishwakarma. Option B, Sini Sethi. Option C, Nandini Gupta. Option D, Riya Singha. Right answer is option A, Manika Vishwakarma. Next question. Who became the 15th Vice President of India? 15th Vice President of India. Option A, Jagdeep Dhankar. Option B, CP Radhakrishnan. Option C, Venkaiah Naidu. Or option D, Sudarshan Reddy. The right answer is Option B, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Next question. Who became the 37th president of the BCCI? Saurav Ganguly, Roger Binney, Mithun Manhas, or option D, Jayasha? Our right answer is option C, Mithun Manhas. Who became the Director General of BSF? Praveen Kumar, Daljit Singh, Nitin Agrawal, or option D, Vivek Johri? Here we are not discussing about the current affairs. Here we are revise through the MCQs. So don't go for revise. Just recall this through MCQs. Option A is the correct answer. Praveen Kumar. Next, who become the Director General of CISF? Is this important? And option A is Rajesh Ranjan, B. Praveer Singh, C. Sanjay Arora, or D. Anish Dayal Singh. The right answer is option B. Praveer Ranjan. Next question, who became the first women Director General of the Railway Protection Force RPF? Option A, Kiran Bedi, B. Sonali Mishra, C. Rasmi Shukla, or D. Neena Singh. The right answer is Sonali Mishra. Next question, who became the Director General of DGCA? Veer Vikram Yadav, B. Rajiv Bansal, C. Ajay Kumar, or D. Samir Kumar Sinha. The right answer is B. Vikram Yadav. Next question, who became the chairperson of NASCOM? A. Devjoni Ghosh, B. Shrikant Belamkani, or C. C.P. Gurnani, D. Salil Parekh. Chairperson of NASCOM. The correct answer is Shrikant Belamkani. Shrikant Belamkani. Justice Lisa Gill became the first women Chief Justice of which High Court? A. Telangana, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Madras, or D. Karnataka High Court. The correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh High Court. Who was the elected deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha for the third consecutive term? Jagdeep Dhankar, Harivansh Narayan Singh, Om Birla, or D. Bhupendra Yadav. The right answer is Harivansh Narayan Singh, option B. Who became the brand ambassador of Census 2027? A. Amitabh Bachchan, B. Sudarshan Patnaik, C. Sachin Tendulkar, or D. Pulela Gopichand. Here is the right answer, option B, Sudarshan Patnaik. Next question, who became the Chief Information Commissioner, CIC of India? Chief Information Commissioner, CIC of India. Rajkumar Goyal, Hitalal Samaria, Prasun Joshi, or Ajay Seth? The correct answer is option A, Rajkumar Goyal. Next question, who became the chairperson of the National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC? Smriti Irani, Sadeep Niranjan Jyoti, C. Rekha Sharma, or D. Meenakshi Lekhi? The correct answer is option B, Sadeep Niranjan Jyoti. Who became the chairperson of the 8th Pay Commission? Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, option B, Justice Ranjana Desai, option C, Justice B.V. Nagarathan, or option D, Justice Sanjeev Khanna? Correct answer is option B, Justice Ranjana Desai. Who became the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Justice B.R. Gavai, Justice Suryakant, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, or Justice U. Lalit? Correct answer is Justice Suryakant, who is recently in the news for their statement. The next question is, Justice Suryakant originally belongs to which state? Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, or Rajasthan? The right answer is option B, Haryana. Who became president of ASSOCHAM or ASSOCHAM? Kumar Mangalam Birla, Nirmal Kumar Minda, TV Narendran, or Sanjeev Puri? The correct answer is B, Nirmal Kumar Minda. Next question, who became executive chairman of NALSA? Justice B.R. Gavai, Justice Vikram Nath, Justice Suryakant, or Justice Sanjeev Khanna? And the correct answer is option B, Justice Vikram Nath. Next question, who became chairman of CBIC? Vivek Chaturvedi, Ajay Bhushan Pandey, Rajesh Verma, or option D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey? The right answer is option A, Vivek Chaturvedi. Who became the first women president of the Press Club of India? Varkadut Sangeeta Barhu Pisoroti, C. Nidhi Rajdan, or D. Fairy Soja? Correct answer is Sangeeta Barhu Pishoruti. And the next question is, who were the chief guests at India's Republic Day celebration in 2026? US President and Vice President Ursula von der Leyen and Antonio Costa. Option C, Emmanuel Macron and Olaf Scholz. Option D, Keir Starmer and Charles Tripoli. Here the correct answer is option B. Next question. Who become the 12th national president of the BJP? JP Nadda, Nitin Navin, BL Santosh or D. Shivraj Singh Chauhan? Correct answer is Nitin Navin, option B. Who become the new chief minister of Manipur? N. Biren Singh, Yomnam Khemchand Singh, C. Konrad Sangma or D. Pema Khandu? Correct answer is B. Yomnam Khemchand Singh. Who was appointed governor of Maharashtra? R. N. Ravi, Jishnu Dev Burma, C. Pratap Shukla or D. Kavinder Gupta? The correct answer is Jishnu Dev Burma. Who was appointed governor of Telangana? R. N. Ravi, Shiv Pratap Shukla, Vinay Kumar Saxena or Syed Atta Hasnani? Correct answer is Shiv Pratap Shukla. Who became the governor of West Bengal? C.V. Ananda Bose, R. N. Ravi, Jishnu Dev Burma or Ashwin Kumar Ghosh? Correct answer is R. N. Ravi. Who became governor of Bihar? Rajendra Arlekar, Syed Atal Hasnan, C. Kavinder Gupta or D. Vinay Kumar Saxena? The correct answer is Syed Atal Hasnan. Who became governor of the Tamil Nadu? R. N. Ravi, Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar, C. Pratap Shukla or D. Kavinder Gupta? The correct answer is Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Who became governor of Himachal Pradesh? Kavinder Gupta, Rajendra Arlekar, Vinay Kumar Saxena or R. N. Ravi? Correct answer is Kavinder Gupta. Next question. Who became the lieutenant governor of Delhi? B.K. Saxena, Taranjit Singh Sandhu, C. Syed Atta Hasnan or D. R. N. Ravi? The correct answer is Taranjit Singh Sandhu. Who was appointed governor of Haryana? Asim Kumar Ghosh, Jishnu Dev Burma, Kavinder Gupta or Rajendra Arlekar? Correct answer is Asim Kumar Ghosh. Who was appointed governor of Goa? P.S. Sridharan Pillai, Pushpati Ashok Gajapati Raju, R. N. Ravi or Vinay Kumar Saxena? The correct answer is Pushpati Ashok Gajapati Raju. Who became the new chief minister of Bihar? Nitish Kumar, Samrat Chaudhary or D. Tejasvi Yadav? The correct answer is Samrat Chaudhary. Jennifer Grilling Simmons became the first women president of which country? Guyana, Suriname, Chile or Bolivia? The correct answer is Suriname. Who became Japan's first female prime minister? Yuriko Koike, Sanai Takaichi, Yuko Kamikawa or option D. Seiko Nara? Correct answer is Sanai Takaichi. Who became vice president of the New Development Bank NDB? Urjit Patel, Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, Dilama Rousseff or Ajay Seth? Correct answer is option B. Dr. Rajiv Ranjan. Who became executive director at the IMF? Raghuram Rajan, Urjit Patel, Rajiv Ranjan or Shaktikant Das? Correct answer Urjit Patel. Who became the prime minister of Thailand? Paithrong Tan Sinawatra, Anutin Charan Virakul? Option C. Prayut Chan Ocha. Option D. Sretha Thavisin? Correct answer is option B. Next question. Who is the prime minister of Norway mentioned in the current affairs? A, B, C or D? If you know the answer, then write in the comment section. And if you like this video, then if you like such videos, then subscribe to the channel. And this is the part 1 of the current affairs. We will next come with the next part with again 50 MCQs. We will cover all 500 important MCQs of last 12 months. So this video will helpful for your all examination.